I just submitted a reply to a news article on the internet about bidets, and I wanted to add my 2 cents in because I've had my channel for a number of years now, and since 2017. The first thing I did when I came back from Thailand the first time, which was the first of many trips, I think I've been there 7 times now since 2017, was install that. That is the second greatest invention ever, in my never to be humble opinion. And I've had the kind that attaches to the underneath the toilet seat. They work okay, but the spray on these are much more powerful, and you'll never feel fresher. That's all I'm going to say about that. The ones that you buy that has the knobs on it, you can actually get the ones that actually you can plumb into underneath your sink for warm water. The cold water wasn't even that bad. The only problem with those are they elevate the seat and then cause it, it didn't crack, but the pieces that go underneath where the screws are, those broke because they're only plastic. And the other part of that equation was you would have to take it off every so often because it does get gross under there. So instead of dealing with that scenario, I just went back to the bum gun, and again, it's the second greatest invention ever.
So here's a funny story while you watch this video of Drew Smith from Cleaning Machines channel. How to install and use Lux Bidet Neo 185 Plus. I once got into a full-on Facebook debate that went so sideways I actually left the group. And what sparked all this chaos, you ask? Politics? Religion? Nope, a bathroom accessory. Yep, people completely lost their minds because I installed a bidet, also known in Thailand as the legendary bum gun, in my Airbnb. You'd think I told them I was serving live scorpions for breakfast. Here's the kicker, in 2 whole years of hosting, not a single guest complained. Not one. I even kept the toilet paper stocked, because hey, not everyone's ready for their first water-powered spa day. Looking back, I'm actually shocked I never made a video about the bum gun. Maybe because I was too busy using it? Who knows? Anyway, you tell me, gross or great? Drop it in the comments. And by the way, because I am using Cleaning Machines YouTube video without sound, I've included the link to his video, so if you're interested in listening to him walk you through the installation, you can go there. I have also installed one of these types of bidets when I had my Airbnb, but this one is much better as it has the tilt feature for easy cleaning. Mine did have the self-cleaning feature that lets you clean the nozzle in the event of spackle getting on it, but you had to remove the bidet to clean under it. I clicked his link, and Amazon was considerably more expensive than going straight to Lux's own bidet website, which is also in his description. I will not be profiting from any purchase from those links. So do me a solid, by now you all know the drill, like, subscribe, and click that bell. Because trust me, this channel's got way more shenanigans than a bathroom in Bangkok.